students, welcome to today's maths class. So last day we studied about that chapter 14 practical geometry. Some questions we work out in your notebook. So all of you must draw each figure 2 or 3 times. All the questions don't want to study. Only some questions only we can draw that in your notebook. That questions only you can study. Clear? Yes. So today we are going to study the next question from page number 278, question number 5. Write the question, page number 278, question number 5. Listen that question. Given AB of length 7.3 centimeter and CD of length 3.4 centimeter. Construct a line segment XY such that the length of XY is equal to the difference between the lengths of AB and CD. Clear that question once more from first sentence. AB of length 7.3 centimeter. So, length of AB equals 7.3. Then, length of CD that equal 3.4 centimeter. Next one. We want to construct a line segment which one? XY. Such that the condition is that length of XY is equal to the difference between the lengths of AB and CD. So XY equal AB minus CD. That is the question. Clear? So we can construct? Yes. So first we can write AB, length of AB equal, write the sentence, length of line segment AB equal 7.3 centimeter. Next, length of CD equal 3.4 centimeter. Next, length of XY equal, that is length of AB minus, that is length of AB minus CD. Clear? That equal AB equal 7.3 centimeter minus CD equal 3.4 centimeter. That equal 7.3 minus 3.4. That equal 9, 3. That equal 3.9 centimeter. 3.9 centimeter. Clear? Once more. Length of AB equal 7.3 centimeter. Then length of CD equal 3.4 centimeter. Length of XY equal, that is length of AB minus length of CD. That equal 7.3 centimeter minus 3.4 centimeter. That equal 3.9 centimeter. So you want to construct the line segment XY equal using scale and pencil 3.9 centimeter. So we can draw. Yes. How we can draw? Draw. Take your scale and take the measurement 3.9. Then you can draw 3.9. 3.9 centimeter. Yes. Draw. That is equal XY. 3.9 centimeter. Clear? Yes. Next question. Right? Next question, right? Draw any line segment PQ. Draw any line segment PQ. Next sentence. Without measuring PQ. Without measuring PQ. Construct a copy of PQ. Construct a copy of PQ. Question. Draw any line segment PQ. Don't want to measure. Then, without measuring PQ, construct a copy of PQ. So, first we want to draw a line segment PQ. Clear? Yes. So, I will draw PQ. Please listen here. First, you want to draw using scale and pencil PQ. Next question. Without measuring PQ, don't want to measure, then how we can draw? Understand? So I will draw here PQ. Without measuring, how we can do? So first you will draw another measurement using another line segment. Clear? Next you will take the compass. Then want to take the correct measurement using compass and pencil. Compass and pencil ഉപയോഗിച്ച് നിങ്ങൾ PQ ന്റെ correct measurement എടുക്കുക. Clear? അതിനുശേഷം put a point P എന്ന് മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. നെക്സ്റ്റ് അതേ മെഷർമെന്റ് ഇവിടെ പ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യുക. ക്ലിയർ? സോ ദിസ് ഈസ് എ സ്മോൾ കോമ്പസ്. യെസ്. സോ യു ക്യാൻ ഡ്രോ വെരി കറക്റ്റ്. സോ this is PQ. Then you can measure the both are equal. Once more, first draw a line segment PQ without measurement. Draw another line segment. Then using compass and pencil, take the measurement. ഇത് രണ്ടും ഉപയോഗിച്ച് കോമ്പസ് ഉപയോഗിച്ച് നിങ്ങൾ എടുത്ത മെഷർമെന്റ് അതേപോലെ ഇത് പ്ലേസ് ചെയ്ത് പോയിന്റ് ഇടുക. ക്ലിയർ? യെസ്. Next question that you don't want to do, you can do. Given some, page number 279. Given some line segment AB whose length you do not know. Construct PQ such that length of PQ is twice of AB. Very simple question, I will explain. Yes, that is, so question number 3. Then listen. So given some line segment AB, that is, next whose length you do not know. Construct PQ such that length of PQ is twice that of AB. So that is, so draw a line segment AB. Next, then PQ equal twice of AB. Understand? Twice that of AB. PQ equal twice that of AB. Yes. So how we can draw PQ? So listen. From my scale, this is 22 centimeter. So you want to draw your measurement AB. Understand? If AB equal 5 centimeter, then I will write here 5 centimeter. Twice means PQ equal 2 into 5 centimeter. Twice. That equal, you want to draw 10 centimeter. Then using 10 centimeter construct PQ. Once more, given some line segment AB whose length you do not know, construct PQ such that length of PQ is twice that of AB. അതായത് AB യുടെ മെഷർമെന്റ് ഇപ്പോൾ 5 ആണെങ്കിൽ twice that of PQ, that is PQ equal twice that of AB, that equal 10 centimeter. Clear? Yes. So next one more question. Next one, right? Next question. Next, perpendicular bisector. Draw, right? Perpendicular bisector. Next heading. Perpendicular bisector. We already studied perpendicular bisectors. Yes, that means, so if a line segment is this one AB, perpendicular bisector means it cut it into two equal parts. Equal parts. Clear? Bisector means it, yes, Divide it into two equal parts. Understand, that is perpendicular bisector. Yes, so we can do some questions. Yes, so first question, this question not in the textbook, right? Draw a line segment cm and construct its perpendicular bisector. Construct its perpendicular bisector. Yes, perpendicular bisector. Yes. Draw a line segment 10 centimeter. Then, or PQ, draw a line segment PQ 10 centimeter and construct its perpendicular bisector. Draw a line segment PQ equal 10 centimeter and construct its perpendicular bisector. We can construct? Yes. Listen. First, scale 10 centimeter varaക്കുക. Construct PQ 10 centimeter. Of you draw. Next, compass. Take the compass. Compass. More than half you want to take. അതായത് PQ 10 centimeter ആണെങ്കിൽ here more than half means 6 or 7 centimeter കോമ്പസിൽ എടുക്കുക. ക്ലിയർ? മോർ ദാൻ ഹാഫ് എടുത്തു. ക്ലിയർ? എന്നിട്ട് പിയിൽ വെച്ച് ഒരു ആരോ മാർക്ക് കട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ആരോ മാർക്ക് എങ്ങനെ കട്ട് ചെയ്യും? ഇങ്ങനെ കട്ട് ചെയ്യും. നെക്സ്റ്റ് അതുപോലെ ക്യൂവിൽ വെച്ച് താഴെ ഒരു ആരോ മാർക്ക് കട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ഫിക്സ് ദ കോമ്പസ് ഇൻ ഹിയർ പി ആൻഡ് മാർക്ക് എ ആരോ മാർക്ക്. ആരോ മാർക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ കട്ടായി വരും. ക്ലിയർ? നെക്സ്റ്റ് അതുപോലെ ഇതേ മെഷർമെന്റ്, use the same measurement and next another mark from Q you can cut. അതുപോലെ ക്യൂവിൽ വെച്ച് കോമ്പസ് യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് കട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ക്യൂവിൽ വെച്ച് മുകളിലും താഴെ. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഡ്രോ ദി ലൈൻ. This is the perpendicular bisector. Very simple. So how we can construct perpendicular bisector? Once more explain. First, draw a line segment PQ. PQ. ഇനി എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? ആദ്യം കോമ്പസ് പിയിൽ കൊണ്ടുവരിക. ലൈൻ സെഗ്മെന്റിന്റെ മോർ ദാൻ ഹാഫ് എടുക്കുക. ഹാഫിനേക്കാൾ കൂടിയ മെഷർമെന്റ് കോമ്പസിൽ എടുത്തിട്ട് പിയിൽ വെച്ച് ഒരു ആരോ മാർക്ക് മുകളിൽ കട്ട് ചെയ്യുക, താഴെ കട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ക്ലിയർ? Same measurement, using that same measurement from B, cut an arc here and here. That is here and next draw this line. Understand? So this is the perpendicular bisector. Draw. Next question. Next question. Next one. Question number 2. Draw a line segment of length. Draw AB of length 7.3 centimeter and find its axis of symmetry. Draw AB of length 7.3 centimeter and find its axis of symmetry. So what is the meaning of axis of symmetry? Symmetry you know. Yes, that whole portion is divided into two equal parts, that is symmetry. Then here, axis of symmetry is same as perpendicular bisector. So we can do, yes. First draw AB of length, draw. AB. Yes, AB. Then 7.3 centimeter, isn't it? Yes. Next, all of you take your compass. Yes. Put a point A. Take more than half from AB. Then draw an arc here. Draw. Yes. Next, here also we can draw. Yes. Here also. Yes. Next, fix the point. Same measurement. Don't want to change here and here. Yes. Here and then from B down also. From here A, B, then here also down. Yes. Then we will get, yes. Clear? Next question. One more we can do. Draw a line segment of length. One more question. Draw a line segment of length. Third. Draw a line segment of length. Length 9.5 centimeter and construct its perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Yes. Draw a line segment of length 9.5 centimeter and construct its perpendicular bisector. Yes, we can draw. Yes. So here 9.5 centimeter. All of you draw. Take your scale and draw 9.5. Yes, 9.5. Yes, centimeter. Next term. So from here and here. Clear? Yes, take more than half. Yes. Then first put an arc here and here. That is. Isn't it? Next one. From here, cut an arc and here. Yes. So this is perpendicular bisector. So last question, one question, homework. Yes. Write the question. Draw XY of length 8 centimeter and find its axis of symmetry. Draw XY left length 8 centimeter and find its axis of symmetry. This is homework question. All of you complete your notebook. Thank you. Have a great day.